Everyone, this is Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today's video is about how to start your own HVAC maintenance system for homes. Now, HVAC is, your air conditioner, your heating system inside your home, your apartment, whatever it may have you. Mostly I'm focusing on homes for this one because this is what I want you guys to try to do. Now, you guys are probably saying, oh, don't you need to go to HVAC school and all that? Not for this. This right here requires pretty much no experience at all. As long as you know what one of these are. Recognize that? That's an air filter for the AC unit on your house. If you guys know how to put one of these in, take one out and replace it with a brand new one, then you guys can start this business. Now hear me out. With this business, you're going to go to people's homes. I'm going to show you how to market it in a minute. You're going to charge $29 to replace this filter, their old filter, with the new one. Yes, you are going to have to pay for this. This filter was probably around $6. So you're making $29, so you're making a profit. You don't want to overprice. And then now the next step is not only are you going to change it, but you're going to get their contact information, their name, phone number, email address, obviously their address, because you're going to want to know where to go back to. And you're going to make them a recurring customer. You're going to have a subscription-based service to where you're going to come every 2 months. I'm here in Dusty, Arizona, so every 2 months is a must here. You're going to come every 2 months, and you're going to charge them the same thing, basically, $29 each time. And you're not going to stop at that one customer. You're going to keep scouring the neighborhood. Start right where you live. Just walk literally door to door. You can leave notes. You can leave index cards. You can print, a little quick flyer at home. You can make business cards. I'm going to show you on my computer what I would do and how I would get started with it. So let's go to my computer screen. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Over here on my computer screen, your next step is going to be coming to Facebook. And if you have a Facebook account, you can create what's known as a Facebook page. And I'm just using this page as an example that I just created for this video. I called it AZ Home AC Services. And in the bottom I put, where did I put it at? Oh, here we go. It says, hey everyone, we're doing home AC filter changes for just $29.99. Get your filter changed today and help preserve your expensive unit from costly repairs. Now, my unit is probably worth about $6,000, maybe more. If you're doing 2-story houses, those units go for about $10,000 a piece, and there's 2 of them usually. So you're usually looking at 20 grand. So who is going to want to spend $20,000 replacing a perfectly good AC unit? Nobody. So you make sure you run that home to the customers and let them know. And so with this here, you can actually run ads to this on Facebook, to your page or from your page, and people will contact you. But I want to show you something a little easier when you're first getting started. And let's move on to the next section. And now you're going to jump on over to a website called vistaprint.com, which is a printing service. You can print all kinds of business cards, print advertising, signs, banners, posters, labels, stickers, packaging, clothing, promotional products, etc., etc. But for this one, you're going to go to Vistaprint. You're going to look up door hangers. I'm sure you guys have seen these hanging on your doorknobs before. You just slip the little door hanger right over the doorknob area. And we're using a 3.5 by 8.5. You guys can upgrade that if you wish to a larger size, 4x4, 4x5 by 11. But we're going to go with a small one first. We're going to use matte, paper stock. And for 50 of them, they said they're going to give it to you. It's on sale for $38.24. You're going to pay taxes on that. So going to be closer to $40-something anyway. And then the more you buy, the bigger deal you get in the long run. I'd recommend starting with at least 50. If you put 50 hangers out there, I mean, your percentage rate is going to probably be maybe 4 or 5 out of the 50 probably. That's just being honest. But you don't give up, because once you get those recurring customers, you're going to keep making money off of them, like I told you, on a subscription based service. So every 2 months you're going to be servicing those people's home with the air filter that you bought for $5 or $6. You charge $29, then you move on your way. Now we're going to talk about equipment needed in this situation, which is very minimal. Let me show you. If you don't have one already, I suggest getting one of these little step ladders or step stools. It's very durable. It's highly recommended on Amazon. It's Amazon's choice. You can see the little beads right there, the anti-slip surface. It's got a nice handle there. Now, depending upon how high the air filters are in the homes you're doing, that's why I recommend sticking to single-story homes. This should be pretty good. It's 2-step, 800-pound sturdy portable ladder. You can put this right in your trunk or back seat of your car. Lightweight. It's $29.99. Let's take a look. We'll give you an idea. This lady here, see, you can see she's standing on it, and she can pretty much, basically, she's reaching the ceiling. But she does have to be on the second step to do that. So bear that in mind. These are the size parameters here. 8.8 inches between each step. The total height of the whole step stool is 36 inches. So you're looking at, yeah, that's pretty good, I would say, but make sure it's going to be high enough for you guys. They also have a 3-step that's a little higher. Keep in mind, the higher you go, the less sturdy it's going to be. Also, you're going to need some sort of a hand brush. Let me see if I can find one. I would say this right here would probably be a pretty good hand brush here. It's got a plastic handle or polyurethane, polypropylene, and it's only $8.69. I think that will work great. Just to brush between the vents and get that dust out of there. You don't want to put a clean filter up there with all that dirt and grit that's still on there. You dust it off a little bit, and you can leave it up to them to vacuum some of the dust that you're going to knock down from the vent. But to make it short and simple, that's pretty much it as far as getting started. What you're going to do is, once you get your door hangers, which should arrive in the mail, you're going to get in your car. You can even do it on your bike or whatever at first. Go door to door, starting in your own neighborhood. Put those hangers up. You can even put a link to your Facebook page, like I just showed you in the previous section. And you can advertise both ways. But for this purpose of this video, we're going to do just, door to door. If you can talk to people, that'd be even better. And then leave your door hanger with them. Explain to them what you're doing. Saying, hey, we're doing HVAC maintenance, preventive maintenance actually, and we want to keep your guys' ACs in top shape. And then I'm gonna show you how to take this business even further after that. And you're still not going to need any experience or training. Not personal training anyway. No paid training. You're not going to have to go to school for this. Nothing like that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And this is part 1 of this video. In the comment section, let me know if you want to hear part 2. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, make sure you click that notification bell so you'll be notified of my daily uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.